What's up, roamers? Today I will be showing you my cool new toy, the 2022 Jeep Gladiator Willys Edition. Alright guys, so here is the Jeep Gladiator Willys Edition in their black pretty nice. It's basically four-door Wrangler with a bed. That's what I traded this for. I had the four-door Wrangler, traded in because they were giving me a good deal and haven't looked back. So let's go to the tires. Looks like we have Firestone tires, 255s. These are their rims right here. Comes with the Willys Edition. You don't see those on any other trim level. Same as the tires with the white lettering. And go ahead and go on to the next. Very good looking tires. Really like them. Might go a bit bigger. We'll see though. Got your front JL grill that they came out with. My little Spider-Man thing. This trim level does come with the halogen lights. I did get converters for LED. Didn't switch out the actual covering, just the bulb inside. I like the little Jeep grill as their thing, so I kept it. Same with the fog halogen, turned those into LEDs. There's a Willys logo thing right there. Pretty cool. All blacked out. Kind of not sure if it's a Willys thing, but it was custom in all the ones I saw. Going back to the bed. Here's the bed. I'll open it up. You'll see lots of room. Gonna open up this. Get a lot of room there. I think it's what? 6 feet? Not sure. They do come with LED lights. I did not get those, I just got the regular ones. They're fine to me. Replaced these yellowish halogen ones with LEDs as well. Comes with a hard top. I really do not like the soft tops. It's not my thing, I guess. Hard top makes it look so much better. Gives you a little opening. You can slide that out. It is not automatic like the new ones. Basically, if you're getting a Jeep, it's really just because it's a Jeep. All the other trucks have a lot more features, stuff like that, like automatic stuff, LED stuff, right coming out. But this just looks better. This is just better overall. Longer wheelbase than the 4-door Wrangler and the 2-door Wrangler. I mean, it just looks really good. Okay, I'm gonna go inside. So basically same thing as the Wrangler JL. These doors can come off, really easy to come off. Unscrew a few things, gonna open there. Unscrew some stuff here, here. Little cap here you take off, undo the connections for the windows and locks, and you take them right off. Pretty easy. Oh, there is this new, not sure what this is, but you do have to unscrew this as well. This was not in the older models. I found that out. I tried to pull out the door and this was stuck, and I was literally trying to keep it held, and I had to put it right back in the hole. And then I finally took this off and I was able to take it off. Okay, so you got your basic functions here. Automatic headlights. This comes in the Willys and higher up models. The Willys Sport does not have it. Does not have automatic stuff. It does not have automatic windows or locks. You do have to get the actual Willys edition instead of the Willys Sport. They pretty much do that because people take off the doors a lot, and with the automatic window and doors, it's really heavy. Okay, coming in. So you got your basic steering wheel that they all have. It does have Apple CarPlay. I'm going to turn this on. Not really updated stuff here like the new things, like the LED screens and everything like that, but I mean, it's a Jeep. What are you gonna do? Oh, looks like I have to replace the windshield fluids. Okay, I did get this little fancy blind spot thing for when you take off the doors, because you are literally not able to see anything once you take off the doors. Here's my little Spider-Man, pretty cool. Okay, it is set up for Apple CarPlay. You can't do it like that. It does have your big, gotta represent. Basic radio system, media to connect through Bluetooth, climate control, which is obviously the air, stuff like that. It does have apps for you, like the backup camera. It does have backup camera. Pretty neat backup camera. And get out of there. Some controls here, basically backup camera and some settings for the display, stuff like that. Pretty neat. It responds fairly well. We're going into here. Has the glove box. Pretty good room here. Has little nets on the side, and of course your windows that are doing all that stuff. Here's the stick to go into four-wheel drive, and coming in to there. Oh, has all of that room and more in here. So as you can see, it's pretty packed up with stuff. Tissue box, glasses holder, my dash cam, little sanitizer bottle, fits all that in there. There is a USB for charging, as well as here USB-C and USB. Has a little cigar thing for plug-ins and stuff like that. Okay, moving to the back. Oh, it does have mats that it came with. I don't know if that comes with just the dealership that you're with or anything like that, but it does come with them. Pretty cool. And here is the back. Back is pretty roomy. Our famous cloth seats. If you go higher, they usually give you leather. I do not like leather. I have a dog and he loves being in the Jeep as well. There's that. We'll go back to the front. Show you the hard top. So you do have the hard top, super simple. Take these are the front panels only. You undo them, take them off, piece of cake. Then you have your hard top in the back. It's pretty, looks like it's gonna be a lot. I have not taken it off yet. I've only taken the front panels off and the doors. I have not taken this back off. If you guys want to see that, I will do that. That's pretty cool. Now we come into here, gear. You can lift these seats here. Have a bunch of storage for stuff like this and that, and here the storage for your screws for the hard top and the doors. It's pretty cool. Go around to the other side. Slips both, and same thing, lots of room to put all that stuff in. Here's the jack location as well. Your simple pockets that you have in the back. You can also bring this out, make it flat here like that. It's pretty cool. And then you have all this room right here. Here is the slide. Like I said, most trucks are automatic at this point. You don't get that with the Jeep, but it's a Jeep. Put that back, that up, as simple as that. And you are back to there. Go check out the engine. It is a 3.6 V6, not a V8. I do hear they're coming out with that stuff. But this is actually easier than the JK that I had. Literally do that. It comes undone. That. V6, nothing special, just the V6. You can't get a 2.0. But I needed this to be able to tow things. Gonna put this back in. With the Willys edition, no tow package, you get, what is it, 4,000 pounds to towing capacity. With the towing package, you get 6,000, I believe. And then there's a max towing package, and that gives you 6,500, 7,000. Something like that. But there's the hitch that comes with the towing package. Of course, your connectors for RVs, stuff like that. Tow hooks, all that stuff. Ooh, automatic windows with the Willys. You don't get that with the Willys Sport. What's that? Ooh, push start. Did not mention that. It does have push start. Every vehicle is getting push start, so. Oh yeah, it does that too. Close all the doors with the car open. It's gonna do a little beep. Have not tried to turn it off. It actually is kind of annoying, but it is what it is. And there you go. 2022 Jeep Gladiator Willys edition. If you want to see anything like taking off the doors, taking off the roof, the bed cover that I have on the Jeep, anything like that, let me know. I will do videos for that, kind of guides to take them off. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.